All right. Ooh, that turned out beautiful. Got a couple bubbles. Oop.
Merry Christmas!
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Creative Pouring. I'm Cheryl. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some, I guess, just little round disc things that could be used for badge reels, could be used for phone pops, put on the back of your phone, or you can just use them as pocket coins to where you can keep them in your pocket and see it and be happy. Okay. It's kind of like pocket hugs, only coins. I've got my Tea Expert resin mixed up. I'm going to put purple and gold yellow in these. Actually, yeah, purple and gold yellow. Those will look good together. Or wait a minute. Purple and royal gold. Those would be better. Okay. Oop, hair. Okay, let's go ahead and get a little bit of this mica powder in them. I want it to be nice and rich. So putting quite a bit of that in there. And to make life easier, I'm just going to turn this little thing around and use the back side for the gold. And I told you I want it to be rich, so I wanted quite a bit in there. And I'm going to put just a hair of my sprinkle in it so that it's a little bit sparkly. I say a hair, but you know what I mean. Stir it up real good, and I'll be back when these are stirred completely. All right, I'm back. Let's go ahead and get these sticks out of here. They're all nice and stirred really well. I'm going to just kind of puddle pour them in each one of these. This is just the background, so I'm going to do different ones and different ones. Okay. Like this one, I'm just going to do that. And then I'll do that one and this one as well. Puddle pour. I'm just making backgrounds so that way I have background to do what I want to with it. Okay, let's see. Put a little bit in the middle. Just a tiny drop. Okay, now I'm just going to scrape them into one. I think these are pretty Christmas colors. I know it's purple, but put a little dot in the middle there. There we go. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag this like this. Same here. Make funny drags. Then I'm just going to push over there. There. Okay, now we'll just wait for that to cure, and I'll be back and we'll do something on the top real pretty. We'll see you then. Well, these are cured. I'm going to go ahead. I've got some UV DTF stickers that I just got. They're snowflakes. I'm going to go ahead and put them on these right here. These always take forever to get off. There we go. I bent the corner right there to peel it. Let's go ahead and just put these on here. That's going to be pretty. Look at that. When you're using DTF stickers, just push them down all the way, get them down so they won't come up, and then gently peel back the plastic protective coat. Make sure you don't peel the resin away from the side. You can leave them like this. I choose to always put a top coat on it, whether it be regular epoxy resin or UV resin. What I'm going to do is when they're in this, though, I'm going to pop these out because they have that little lip. You see that lip that they have? I'm just going to fill that lip up so they're nice and thin. So we'll just pop them out of here. You can leave them in the mold and you can add more to it, but I just want to top coat these. I just like them nice and thin. Let me go ahead and get my gloves on. All right, I got them on. I'm just putting them on this little tray. Pull it out some. I've had this thing for a minute. It's a little real dirty on the table. So just make sure you got it set even, because there's some bumps, like this one right here has a bump, but I want it to lay flat. Okay, I'm just going to fill these up with UV resin. Like I said, you can use epoxy resin, you can use UV resin, whichever you choose. And that lip is going to help me keep it inside. So when I dome it, it's not going to go over the edges. You shouldn't go over the edges. I say isn't going to, but shouldn't. You never want to use alcohol ink. I'm sorry. You never want to use isopropyl alcohol when you're doing this thing right here, because what isopropyl alcohol does is it takes the tension off the top, and that's exactly what you need for a top coat, is the tension. So if you're going to try to get bubbles out of it, I suggest using a long neck lighter, because that won't make it go over the edges like a isopropyl alcohol will. Okay. And always be careful when you're using UV resin, sitting by a light. Sitting by a window, because windows will make it cure. It'll make it cure when you're not ready for it to. Trust me, I've been there, done that. It's not fun. Okay. If you see any divots, make sure you fill it up a little bit more, because that one had a bunch of divot. or a big divot in the middle. I know it's hard to see some of these, and I'm sorry about that. Okay. And then you might want to look at from the side. Looks good. Move these under. I'm just pushing them under. I'll be back when these are cured. Oops, let me get my gloves off. See, I leave them on and I forget all the time. But I guess it's better than forgetting to put them on. All right. Ooh, that turned out beautiful. Got a couple bubbles. Got a couple bubbles in there. Ooh, look at the backside. That is pretty. Look at that shine. I think that turned out beautiful. It's got a bubble right there, but it still turned out pretty. So what you can do with these is you can use them for pocket coin, like a pocket hug, but a coin shape. Or you can put a magnet on the back. I like that one. Or you can put a magnet on the back for your fridge. Or you can drill a hole through it and make a keychain out of it. I think I'm just going to leave them as pocket coins. That way you can just pop it in your pocket, carry it with you, think of Christmas. Or a marker for something, like if you play bingo or something, you could use them for that. Something along those lines. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pour as much as I did. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Thank you to all my new subscribers out there. I really appreciate you. Thank you to everyone out there. I appreciate you so much. And till next time, keep creating and keep pouring. Bye for now.